We want to concentrate on our vote bank, particularly neither BJP have any negative approach with the minorities. In our track record which is concerning, either in the center or in the states, we are always have a good track record of performance. We don't want to discriminate anybody, any person belongs to any caste, religion, creed and language.
Sir, what are the you said you are going to have special attention.
Already it's a very unfortunate incident in the Sabrimala. It's very unfortunate. First of all, from BJP, I am giving my condolence message to all of the people who have lot of deaths are there. It's really very unfortunate. I appeal to the Prime Minister that this type of incidents, which are very unfortunate by government planning and execution of some system for that, I feel that can be a good option. So I appeal to the Prime Minister of India. Already I have written a letter to him that he should call a meeting of all southern state chief ministers and find out the solution by which this type of incident in future never can occur.
Are you demanding any judicial inquiry regarding this incident?
I feel that more important than judicial inquiry is to find out the way out. Why this incident is happening? Why this incident is happening? It is because of some wrong planning. By taking some planning in such a way from the good architects, we can make good roads, having some good arrangements, and central government can also give some assistance to the state government, by which there can be a good solution, and in future such type of incident never can happen. The way in which what type of results we have given to the Tamil Nadu also. The important thing related to the Tamil Nadu is the water problem. So river connectivity is our dream project, and taking water, connecting rivers from, they are taking water from many rivers to Kaveri, and by which it goes to Tamil Nadu, it can solve the problem of Tamil Nadu. So this water problem is the highest priority from the BJP, and only BJP ruled center only can solve this problem. So because of this water problem, I appeal to the people of Tamil Nadu to support BJP. We will definitely solve this problem.
Last question, when are you going to Tamil Nadu? When are you going to Tamil Nadu? Like Kerala?
At Tamil Nadu की तारीख कौन सी?
कब जा रहा है साहब?
29 January, I will be in Tamil Nadu regarding this यात्रा of Ponna Radhakrishnan. देखिए, उड़ीसा में हम लोग कांग्रेस और यूपीए के भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ तो संघर्ष का अभियान छेड़ेंगे ही। उसके साथ साथ उड़ीसा की जो वर्तमान सरकार है बिजू जनता दल की, उसके प्रति भी लोगों के मन में बहुत नाराज़गी है, निराशा है और संतोष है। 10 साल के अनुभव के बाद जनता को नए अल्टरनेटिव की अल्टरनेटिव जनता ढूंढ रही है, और मेरा विश्वास है कि बीजेपी यही उसके लिए एक ऑप्शन है। हम पूरी अपनी ताकत और शक्ति को बढ़ाएंगे और उड़ीसा में कांग्रेस और बिजू जनता दल दोनों को ही एक सशक्त अल्टरनेटिव के रूप में बीजेपी की राजनीतिक ताकत को और संगठनात्मक ताकत को बढ़ाकर हमारी वोट बैंक को बढ़ाएंगे।
बहुत सारे घोटाले में उड़ीसा सरकार लिप्त है, क्या आप अब जो महारैली करने जा रहे हैं उसमें सारी चीज़ें उठाएंगे आप?
देखो, घोटाले किसके भी हो, चाहे राज्य सरकार के हो चाहे केंद्र सरकार के, दोनों घोटाले और भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ हम संघर्ष करेंगे।
बीजेपी के साथ फ्यूचर अलायंस के लिए आपका क्या?
कोई फ्यूचर अलायंस होने के बाद कोई संभावना नहीं है, ना उनके तरफ से कोई प्रस्ताव, ना हमारे तरफ से कोई कोशिश है।